For those of us who like to print things out, Chat GPT is so convenient. I am having it do several things for me. One of the things I'm having it do is design my recipes so that I can just place them into a journal and have the journal in my kitchen on my counter instead of actually having my device there. I just feel better having actually a book there. So if I go in, I can say, write out a recipe for banana bread, design it in a way that I can cut and paste it into my kitchen journal. So I can press that and see what I get. So it writes it out in a way that I could just cut and paste it into my journal, or I just can print it out and add it to my journal if I don't want to do it that way. Or I can use it, go into Canva, and I can create a document in Canva, a design in Canva, and I can just, let's just create a new one, custom. I use the size that I used before, and then I can just put it here. Into my Canva. Okay. And of course I want to change the font. Guess I could have done that first. And you can do this in whichever way you want to do it. You can also just add images. You want to do it that way. One way is you can just find the images here. Banana bread. If you got the Pro, I like that one. Okay, and you can have a list of recipes to print out and add to your journal, or if you're trying to publish something, this is one way to do it. You can get a lot of things from ChatGPT to publish. Another thing that I thought was interesting was I asked it on another time to write out a grant proposal. Write out a grant proposal. And it asked, actually I don't have the information in, so I'm going to say, can you write out a grant proposal? And as you see, it can write out a grant proposal. All it is requiring is that you put in all your needed information. For example, introduction of the organization, background, all the things you need, goals and objectives, description of the project, goals and objective, methods and activities. So all you are doing is really just feeding ChatGPT the information that it needs to give you what you need. So, I mean, this is a game changer for a lot of things. You can write out lesson plans. You can you can write short stories, legal. You can get legal advice, have it write out legal documents. It could write out wills. This is a game changer for a lot. And I know that this is, we are transitioning into a new future. And so it almost puts me in the mindset of this.